Okay guys, so I'm done cleaning it with some alcohol. So I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod and start laying the vinyl. So I had to remove the vinyl on the back because it came out really bad. I didn't really like it because it's super hard. I had to cut it in two pieces in the middle. That was my first mistake because I thought I had enough for the whole trunk as one piece, but my measurements were wrong. So I had to cut it in half, and then all these edges where it folds down, that got really messy. So I didn't like the way it came out. Not like the front one. The front one got less curves, so I didn't have no problem with the front. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it actually looks pretty cool. I'm gonna turn it around right now just to have it facing up, facing the sun. So yeah, let me do that. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna tint these side little markers. They go on each side, like on the fender right there and right there. So I'm gonna tint them a bit too. I don't want them black, but I want them, like smoked out just a little bit. Okay guys, check this out. I'm not gonna show it to you completely because I want to wait for that reveal. I added these also. So most of the BMWs that I've seen have that blue and that other lighter blue and the red, so I want to have something a little bit different. Check out the wheels. Check them out. This side looks a lot better. I also had to polish this side. I don't know if you remember. I did it, but my memory card now says that it's corrupt, that it can't show, that I can't get nothing out of it. So I lost a lot of footage right there. Now, can't remember who told me that this thing was a clear bra that could come off. I'm gonna find a way to get it off. Who told me? But I'll look right now, and yes, it is. It is the clear bra. So I'm gonna pause it right now, go back to my comments and see who told me that was the clear bra, so I could let you guys know. Okay, so we're back, and Anthony Esmilla, that was you, man. I just checked out the comments, and you are totally right, man. This thing is one of those clear protections. So I want to thank you, man, for letting me know.
because I did not know. Now I gotta find a way to do this, to remove this without breaking it. Okay, so I had to get the heat gun, hit this thing, and came off. Now I gotta find something to get rid of all this crap. This one doesn't have it. The glue is really strong, so I cleaned it off as much as I can. And this that you can see, this stuff right here, this ain't right here, this is not glue, this is actual that clear protection that comes, the original stuff. I guess that glue just peeled that part off, so that's not glue in this either. So it's a lot better than it was, man. A lot better. Okay guys, so I'm gonna install this now, this trim. That's the one that goes up here. I haven't installed it. I just installed that, the one on this side. So it looks a lot better now, this side. Once again, check out the wheels. I tinted the bottom part of the tail light. So what do you guys think about the tail lights? I honestly like the way it looks. I still gotta install the little logo and all the little emblems back here. This little trim that goes right here too. Have it inside. I haven't installed it. And I need to wash it again because it's really hard to keep a black car clean. But it's looking cool, man. I don't know if I should tint the rest of the taillights, not completely black, but just tint them just a bit. I think I'm gonna do that, but for sure I'm gonna black out the rims. I didn't black the other ones out completely. I left that ring and those the way they were. They're machined. So, and this is, like I said, it's not paint. It's just vinyl. It's normal vinyl. So I didn't want to black them out and then didn't like it and having to sand them down. So the vinyl comes off pretty easy. It'll leave some glue residue, but find something to remove the glue and it should be okay. Something like Goo Gone or something like that. But these are the side markers. See, they're not completely black, but they're smoked out just a bit, enough for you to notice them, but they're not completely in your face. Another thing, do you guys think these cars drop? I see it pretty low. I don't think that's the normal height. It's kind of tucking the wheels a bit. So what do you guys think? You think these things lowered? I may be wrong. I may be completely wrong, but it does look a bit lowered. You guys can't see the carbon fiber because the sun is back there, but I'll wait to a really sunny day to show you guys how the carbon fiber looks. So yeah, let me do that. Oh no, let me try to tint I'm gonna tint the tail lights completely.